If you think you need money to start investing, that belief is exactly what's keeping you broke. Most people say, I'll start investing when I have more money. But by the time they finally have more money, they've already wasted years. The truth is simple. You don't start investing because you have money. You get money because you started investing early. So how do you invest when you have no money? First, understand this. Investing is not about money first. It's about positioning. If you have no money right now, you are not behind. You are simply at the beginning. And the beginning is powerful because your biggest asset isn't cash, it's time. When two people invest, the one who usually wins is the one who started earlier, not the one who started with more money. That's the power of compound growth. Time multiplies effort. So if you don't have money, your focus shouldn't be forcing investments. Your focus should be building the ability to invest. The first way to invest with no money is to invest in high-income skills. If you have zero money, your first investment is not stocks or crypto, it's skill. Skills create income, and income creates investment power. You can learn digital marketing, video editing, coding, graphic design, copywriting, or AI automation for free online. If you dedicate a few months to mastering one valuable skill, you can start earning. Once you start earning, you create room to invest financially. Without income, investing becomes stressful. With income, investing becomes strategic. The second way to invest with no money is to invest in knowledge. Most people want fast results. They skip learning and jump straight into risky decisions. But knowledge is leverage. If you don't understand inflation, compound interest, risk management, and asset allocation, you'll lose money when you finally invest. While you're in the stage of having little or no money, use that time wisely. Study how markets work. Learn how wealthy people think about assets. Watch educational content. Read books. Build understanding. That way, when money comes, you won't hesitate or gamble. You'll execute with confidence. The third way to invest with no money is to start extremely small. You may think you have no money, but often what we mean is we don't have a lot of money. Many investment platforms allow fractional investing. That means you don't need thousands to start. You can begin with small amounts. Instead of saying, I have no money, ask, how can I free up a small amount consistently? It might mean cutting one unnecessary expense, canceling a subscription, or saving small amounts weekly. Investing is not about how much you start with. It's about building consistency. The fourth way to invest with no money is to build investor habits before you have capital. You can track stocks weekly. You can study companies. You can analyze markets. You can even create a mock portfolio and monitor its growth. Acting like an investor before becoming one builds discipline. When real money is involved, discipline protects you. If you wait until you're rich to learn control, you'll lose money quickly. But if you develop patience and research habits now, you'll multiply money when it comes. The fifth and most powerful way to invest with no money is to change your identity. Stop saying, I don't have money to invest. Start saying, I'm building my investing foundation. Investing isn't a one-time action, it's a mindset. Wealthy people think like investors daily. They evaluate opportunities, manage risk, and focus on long-term growth. You don't need money to adopt that mindset. You need a decision. The moment you see yourself as someone building wealth, your actions begin to change. If you consistently invest in skills, knowledge, small amounts, strong habits, and a new identity, your situation will shift. In 1 to 3 years, you won't be asking how to invest with no money. You'll be deciding where to allocate your growing income. And that is a completely different level of financial life. The journey doesn't start with money. It starts with a decision to grow.